0282, State of Texas versus AJ Delgado. Can I have all these announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Just responsibility for the defendant.
Are you Mr. Delgado?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Here we go. Delgado is facing aggravated robbery charges, a first-degree felony in Texas. That means anywhere from 5 years to basically life. This is serious. Pay close attention to how fast the judge sets the tone.
We got your honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Delgado, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, your honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Delgado, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated robbery? That's a first-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years in prison.
Quick legal note, aggravated robbery in Texas is no joke. Judges can go as low as 5 years, but they also have the power to go all the way to 99. That's why plea deals matter, because it could mean walking out in 5 years instead of never walking out.
And up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, your honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of the client?
Your honor, I have visited with this young man and his family. I'm just hoping to put this past them and turn this negative into a positive situation. Just ask that the court will follow the plea agreement.
All right, why should I follow this plea?
He has to pay for his.
No, I mean, why shouldn't I give you, why should I go along with 5 years prison? Why shouldn't I give you 20 or 15? Basically, what has happened in this case is that you and your friends decided to try to take a vehicle that did not belong to you. Well, actually, you did take it. And you know how they identified you? With that silly Marbach haircut that everybody seems they want to do, which, as my mom would say, that's really the Larry Curly Moe haircut. I don't know why people think that that is the haircut to be, but that's how you were identified. So,
I actually cut my hair for long, black, all the way down.
yeah. So, and that's all you take away from that. How far did you go in school?
Great.
So you're in 11th grade and stealing someone's vehicle that doesn't belong to you.
Whoa, did you hear that? The judge just hit him with a reality check. In Texas, trying to steal a car isn't just illegal, it's dangerous. Viewers, what do you think? Was the judge being too harsh, or just brutally honest?
Where did you see this ending? Did you think at some point in time that car was not going to be found? All cars have locators in them now. So how did you see this playing out? You're in Texas. You're lucky somebody didn't shoot you. And then you know what would have happened when somebody would have shot you? Your mom would have been crying on television, asking for that person to be arrested. And then you know what the citizens would have been saying? Oh, well, he got what he deserved. And they would have just moved on to the next person. Don't be that person, although my mom has already told me this. You know what my mom tells me every day?
That line stings. 5 years in prison for a car. It makes you wonder, how many people think short-term and end up paying the ultimate long-term price? What would you have said if you were in his shoes?
She says, Stephanie, you and the people in your age group can never retire. And you know why she can't? She says we can never retire? Because she said, look what's coming behind you. And so what we have coming behind us are people who are going out instead of working to get what they want to go take a vehicle. Now you're going to end up spending 5 years of your life in prison. And was that vehicle worth that? 5 years of your life?
Okay.
Well, now that's what you're going to do. And you've made your life very difficult because now you're somebody who hasn't graduated from even high school and you're going to have a felony conviction. It's all you. Court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration 2023 CR 0281, 2023 CR 1479, County Court Cause number 697768. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon and there's to be no contact with Donovan Treadwell. showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
So Delgado's headed to prison for 5 years. But notice, this judge isn't just punishing, she's practically begging him to not waste the rest of his life. That's a mix of tough love and cold reality.
Yes, ma'am.
Off the record. So young people, they think when they go to prison, it's the end of their life. You still have plenty of time to do great things on this planet. Me, I'm in the twilight of my life, but you have more time. So what you decide to do with your life is completely up to you. If you want to be in and out of prison, if you want to be the person at the prison that's the oldest person at the prison, and people say, hey, how are things running here? And they say, go ask Grandpa Delgado. If you want that to be you, it can be. Otherwise, when you get out of prison with your felony conviction, you need to try to turn your life around. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Here's an interesting twist. Prosecutors just dropped an enhancement. That's a huge break for Garcia, because enhancements can double or even triple your time. What do you think? Was this a fair move, or was he just lucky?
23 CR 3413A, State of Texas versus Abel Garcia. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
David Cavazos for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Roger Pettis.
All right, Attorney Pettis is by Zoom because he had a court date in Comal County. Any objection to his appearing by Zoom?
No, Your Honor.
And are you Abel Garcia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any objection to your client, to your attorney appearing by Zoom?
Not at all, ma'am.